So I don't know if I have enough paint today, but I'm gonna try to make me a little landing pad here that I leave out in the yard from my DJI Mini 2 drone. And then I'm gonna fly up around the neighborhood and see what's going on. So stick around, see what's going on. I'm gonna spray it with black first and then spray it with some orange. Kind of like a puzzle. Do the outside first. Alright, so let's let that dry. It says quick color, fast drying, all purpose. We're gonna see. And then we're gonna do a little orange. After it dries a little bit, we're going to try to do a little pattern on there with some tape so maybe we can see it a little better. But we got to wait for it to dry. I hate waiting for paint to dry. So let's do something else while we're doing that. I'm going to throw my old landing pad out here in the yard and get the old DJI Mini 2 drone out and take off and see what's going on around the neighborhood. Shh, don't tell nobody. Woohoo, it's working. The gimbal's going crazy. Did it straighten up right? There you go, now it's working. We'll take it over here and put on my fly pad and landing pad and take off and check some stuff out. Yeah. I keep cutting the tree and it keeps growing. So
take off.
We got the takeoff going. Let's see. Everything's clear. Okay, we're just gonna make sure everything's clear.
The home point has been updated.
Okay.
Please check it on the map.
Okay, so we're ready to go. Get over here in the shade so I can see. Whew. So now we're up in the air. See what's going on in the neighborhood. We're at 34 feet. We're going to go on up. I like to go up to around 100 feet and then point the camera down a little bit. I still want to see the horizon. I want to see a little bit of the horizon, and then hope you can see that. And then we're just going to go look around a little bit. What's going on? Well, there's the shopping center over there. I just want to make sure I stay up high enough. Now that shopping center over there is where I go shopping. That's where the movie theater is and everything. And that's a pretty good place to go. And they have a Hurricanes restaurant, which I'm not going to go over there, but I could. And a couple other restaurants that are pretty good. The wind's picking up. We're just flying around checking stuff out. don't see nothing exciting, which is good. Don't want to see nothing exciting. People enjoying the swimming pool. Yeah, baby. Looking good. The neighborhoods are looking good. Nothing happening. That's a good view from up there. Ooh. I'm gonna see if I can get back around to the shopping center, which is right there. And now I'm gonna bring it back towards the house. Only a little ways away. Yeah. Pretty good. I can hear it now. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can find my landing pad. Where's my landing pad? Let's see, that's Tommy's yard. So let's, oh, there it is. So I'm gonna come over a little bit. Now we're gonna start our descent. I'm gonna come on down. Coming on down. Not quite. Let's get the gimbal back up. Come over and check out the camera. Checking out the shed. Oh yeah, there's my rad power bicycle. That's an electric bicycle for those of you who don't know. Electric rad powered bicycle. I would sell that if you knew somebody that wanted to buy it. So this is where my landing pad's gonna be. Once I get it all jazzed up. Hey, I can just hover over it there for a minute and dry that thing off. Drying, dry. I think it's dry enough. So now I'm just going to go land it on the pad and get back to painting the table. So let's see if I can do that. Whoop, I gotta look down again. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to block your view there. Okay, we're gonna see how close we can get it to land. It's on the pad. Look at that. Nailed it. Well, so much for fun with that. I'm gonna get back to working on my table here. So now, I don't know how long this camera's gonna last, but anyway, I got another battery. I'll put another battery in if I have to. Do a little not trying to make anything perfect, just want something that I can see from the sky. So now the question is, what color can I do the other part in? I got some blue. You like this color of blue? Got some blue. Look at that. This was the color of my work truck because I painted it with spray cans. What do you expect? I can't believe it's still recording. If it quits, you let me know so I can put a new battery in. I'm gonna try to take this tape off. I know it's still wet. I'm impatient like this. I don't like to wait on things. Like when I had my repair service. Somebody called me, I was Harold on the spot because I was right there. Didn't want to miss that dollar. My slogan was, if you got a dollar, give me a holler. I'll be right there. If you got a dollar, just give me a holler. We'll be right there to take your cares away. Let's see, this is the one. This is the one. And that's it. Now I got a mess on my hands because it was wet paint. So I guess that's it for this video because I got wet paint on my hands after painting that stupid thing. At least I got some of the rust off of it and got a coat of paint on it. Hey, don't forget to check out the links below the video and subscribing and give me a thumbs up. And come back and watch some of my other videos. I'm going to do a lot of drone flying and goofing off. So, welcome to the channel. This is Harold. I'm signing off, and I'll talk to you again soon. If I can get this off my hands so I can get... Now my fingernails are blue to match my wife's. She'll like that.